your whole year, put you in the worst mood. It's hard sometimes to cut you out when you hear the song. If you really listen, when you hear the song, it's a new edition. Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. Through the darkest of days, it's how I learn how to grow. Driving the clock every day.
I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah.
You shouldn't be fighting on your own.
So if it's something neighbors,
Baby, take control now. Play that music too loud.
let's behave. Don't need no reason.
Welcome to my house. Welcome to
My city,
welcome to
my home.
Make it feel like
The good old days.
When we in our sound,
welcome to my
these are the reaction.
Holding on to something.
inside my bones.
I had to bust up the silence. All that I'm wishing for my friends.
What can I say? That's the way it was. That's the way it was. Where do you wanna go?
Don't be control.
That's the way it was. That's the way it was. Make you lose control. This is what you came for.
Ooh, it's something magical.
This is what you came for.
So if it's something neighbors,
baby, take control now. Play that music too loud.
let's behave. Don't need no reason.
Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house.
It was a big, big world. I always had that dream.
Can't stop.
I need a miracle.
Ooh, it's something magical.
I need a miracle.
My enemy.
You might be one of us.
Welcome to my
Prisoners.
Outside, ready to buzz.
Oh,
I cut them all loose and
Yeah, we're free.